Hi guys, my name is Elena, and welcome back to another AI tutorial video brought to you by Advertising is Simple. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to an AI tool called Descript. Descript is an all-in-one tool for video content creation. This platform can edit videos, replace backgrounds, add text, enhance audio, and so much more. In this video, I will go through and show you how to improve the audio quality in your footage for your video. So let's get into it. I have already uploaded my project, which is an audio file that does not have good audio quality. It has a loud fan and music going in the background, so we are going to use the feature Studio Sounds to get rid of the background noises. All you have to do is select the script or clip and go to Audio Effects and enable Studio Sound. By turning it on, you can change the intensity of how much you want the effect applied. So now the script will do its thing and start to process your audio. Once it's done, consider your audio enhanced. And that's a wrap for this tutorial video on how to improve video audio quality using Descript. Stay tuned for our next video on trending AI marketing tools.